Baboons are fast, cautious. They live high above in the trees, watching for danger. But the Hadzabe know how to wait, how to breathe, how to strike. One hunter creeps up through the branches while the other takes aim from below. Then Paraki, a sharp whistle, a single shot, and the forest falls silent. The hunt is successful. There are in the heart of the African wilderness, the Hadzabe tribe moves with silent purpose. Their eyes scan the treetops. Their ears listen for every movement. Today's mission is bold: to hunt one of the jungle's smartest and most elusive creatures, a wild baboon hiding high in the canopy. For the Hadzabe, this isn't just a challenge. It's survival, it's skill, it's tradition passed down for generations. Baboons are fast, cautious. They live high above in the trees, watching for danger. But the Hadzabe know how to wait, how to breathe, how to strike. One hunter creeps up through the branches while the other takes aim from below. Then Paraki, a sharp whistle, a single shot, and the forest falls silent. The hunt is successful. There are no cooking pots here, no kitchen tools, just sticks, fire, and ancient knowledge. The Hadzabe clean the baboon with care, using nothing but a blade and hot ash. They roast it low over an open fire, flipping it slowly while telling stories and laughing together. This is more than a meal. It's a celebration of life, of courage, and of surviving another day in the wild. As darkness covers the jungle, the Hadzabe sit together beneath the stars. Their day began with a hunt, and now ends with a warm meal shared among family. There are no leftovers, no waste, only gratitude to nature, to the hunt, and to each other. This is how they live: simple, powerful, free.
Ane ama puto u amo koko no amo I amo in shop.
Zao kata.
Moko ene ama koko moko am kota ngo wa ka uta I na kota. Gente, como na fe. Be. Não já na mais jogo. Quer me pa? Você. Na aqui. Aqui kumi got aqui got. Aqui iya got aqui ya. Apa tu? Ba second me bita bawa se. Si ya ba kwashi da ko. Si ya. Ah. Ele vai si ya. Kwashi obe. Iya bawa, kata beda bawa. Iya bawa. Seka me pe bawa mana kwa atwa na pisho wana na kwa. Iya eno kwa bawa baka kata batu batu shobo bari kwa kata. Tu teko tu bakena wa ye. Kau nak kasih ni? Kata ya. Jangan jangan. Wait, going on to bed now. Semete. No, está vamos. Semana con este. Okay. Kalau kau ikan sana tamu, jangan sih. Itu Kau kau apa ya? Ya apa? Ayo, ayo. Kasih kunci apa? Apa? Aku. Wah, ini tu apa? Mama mana ayo, bisa suka pakai. Kamu ke dalam? Kamu ke? Kayak ke bawah. Ini ay macam men sobe. Tak dapat kau kayak tang apa? Apa? Siapa ada? Ya kata, ada. Kalau me bicu. Agak ini mana?
Seme a shugu jina kwa seme.
Ama kita ako di luar sama bawa. Wewe. Mana nampak iya nah situ. Dah. Masih bami peta apa mana kaj. Ya memang bami tu ini. Masa aku tapi.